Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we have a makeup haul. Well, we're gonna actually call it a beauty haul because I don't just have makeup, I also have some skincare. Yeah, I will have everything listed down below with their prices and where I got them from, but this is pretty much Ulta and Sephora when they were having their sales, except for one exception, which is Target. And actually all these products you'll be able to see in an upcoming video of me testing them all out. This is not the look that I have created with these products, but this look will be coming soon. Let's just go ahead and jump right into this. First thing, the only Target item, I got the Sonia Kashuk makeup blender. It's latex free, looks like this. It is dirty because I have used it, and in my first impressions you will see what I think of it. You don't watch that video, here's a little spoiler, do not get this. I know it maybe like $7 to $10, but it is not worth it. My favorite drugstore sponge is the Real Techniques one. Let's go in with the samples that I got. I just threw them in a little baggie so I can keep track of them. When you order on both Ulta and Sephora.com, you get samples, and Sephora changed their samples. Used to be able to get 3, now you only get 2. What's up with that? I think these are the 2 that I got from Ulta. This is the It Cosmetics Confidence in an Eye Cream. Always looking for a good eye cream. And we have this to try. Perfume. This is the YSL Mon Petit Eau de Parfum. I try to be like, oh yeah, I'm French, or like that I know French, even though I can't speak it to save my life. That is the one and only class in high school that I got a C in. So yeah, that went straight up my nose. It smells like you're walking into like a Nordstrom's or Dillard's. Yeah, but oh, that's strong. And then I believe these 2 are from Sephora. First, the Sunday Riley Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. And then the Drunk Elephant Sea Tingle Multivitamin Eye Cream. 5 peptide blend. Like I said, I'm always looking for new eye creams, and I love getting samples like this. And I know not a lot of people do, but I do because I take them traveling, and when you're confined to a tight space, foil packets are your best friend. When I went to Europe, I saved like all my foil packet shampoo and conditioners, and it literally took up no room whatsoever, and I had enough to wash my hair. So if you're traveling like internationally or just want to combine space, whenever you can get shampoo and conditioner foil packet samples, highly recommend getting them. Save them for your next trip and it'll be amazing. You'll literally be taking like nothing in your bag. That's how great they are. One bad thing about this hairstyle is if I put these pieces behind my ear, it just does not look cute. Let's go with like skincare things that I got. I got 2 serums. First one is the Physicians Formula Rose All Day Oil-Free Serum. Brightens and tightens. I've been trying to incorporate more serums. I would say it's more brightening than tightening. And then this serum is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum. I've been into serums a lot lately, and this is just like a gel serum. It's like a drink of water for your skin. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference between the hands. A lip balm that I got. This is the Too Faced Peach Lip Balm, the Mega Moisture Lip Balm. Smells good. As you guys can probably tell, I have been using it. Is it the most moisturizing lip balm out there? No. Does it smell amazing? Yeah. The moisturizer, I actually got like a sample size of it when it was my birthday month at Sephora, and I decided to pick up the full size. The Glam Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer, and I got mine in the shade Nude Glow. But some days I'll wear this under makeup to give myself an extra glow. I'll wear it alone. I just really like this. Is it the most moisturizing? No, but it's amazing. And I will either use this like as my moisturizer or on top of my daily moisturizer. Setting sprays, I guess. I got the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Just feel like I needed some because my skin was like, I do like it. I'm not big in like to setting sprays, even though I mostly use like my Mario Badescu facial toner water thing for like a setting spray, so I don't really dabble into much setting sprays, but this is good. And then I picked up MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. This is the first MAC product that I have tried, and I actually got the rose one, and as we can see I have been using it a lot. The mister on this, that's my only problem, but I do like this and I may repurchase it in the future. Face primer. I got the Farsali Skin Tune Blur Perfecting Primer Serum. First of all, the packaging on this, I'm obsessed. I don't know what it is about like droppers, but I feel like they don't get enough product in them. It could just be because I am using them for like the first time, but droppers are not my favorite, I have to say. That's the only problem with it. But again, you guys want like an in-depth like what I think about these products, stay tuned for my first impressions. I got two concealers. First is just the repurchase of my daily concealer now. I got the exact same shade. They changed the packaging on it. It now says Double Duty Beauty on it. I've not opened this specific product since I have purchased all of these. It's the only product that I haven't played with, but we all know this is a cult classic in the beauty community, and everyone pretty much compares concealers to this concealer. And they have good reasons, because it is the best concealer that I have found. Next is the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer, and I got mine in the shade Marshmallow. It's in a squeeze tube with a like metal tip applicator. I'm not a fan of the metal tip applicator. I have to say, like if it was just a regular squeeze tube, fine, but the metal tip applicator is not my favorite. I just feel like it gets super messy and I hate it when my makeup products are messy. It's the one thing. It's like when my makeup products look not clean, just gets to me. Let's go foundation. I got the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 130. The shade is a little bit yellow for me, but I'm still gonna keep it because I can make it work. I really like how sleek the packaging is, and you get more than a regular foundation. Like 0.8 fluid ounces more than a regular foundation. The only thing I would say about this is that if you have dry skin, I do not recommend it, just because it will cling to your dry spots, and if you have dehydrated skin, it'll just emphasize that. This is the only fake powder. I picked up the Too Faced Born This Way powder, ethereal setting powder in translucent, and I actually take the sifters out of my powders. Compared to the Coty Airspun, in the Coty Airspun you get 2.3 ounces. There's only 0.56 ounces in this container. That's the only problem I have with it, and like the opening, I can't really get my full beauty blender in, my Eco Tools one, to set my entire face. That's the only really thing. It's just like the size, like Too Faced, come on. Bronzer, I picked up the BH Cosmetics Brilliance Bronze. It's a satin finish bronzer in the shade Golden Gal. I really like the color on this for all over bronze for my skin tone personally. If you're like someone that is like fair to light skin tones, then this is a good bronzer for you. If you're any darker, I would say pick up one of the other shades, but I do not recommend contouring with this just because it is a satin finish and it does have a little bit of shimmer in it, and it's not really like a good shade for contouring. But for an all over bronze for fair to light skin tones, I would say pick that up. Now a blush. I picked up the PYT Beauty Heartbeat Cheek Color, and I really like the packaging on this, I'm not gonna lie. Except for the opening. If you guys have acrylic nails or like really long nails, it won't be your friend to open. Because I was opening this when I did have like acrylic nails. Wasn't my friend. But this is in the shade Exhale. I like the formula of this. I like the color and engraved in it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it says no BS. I'm a sucker for packaging. TBH. That perfume is still lingering around. Now highlighter. I picked up the Jouer Cosmetics Powder Highlighter in the shade Citrine. Ooh. Please hold. I was just looking at Jouer's Citrine Highlighter, which I have wanted for the longest time. When they first released, that's how long I've wanted this. As I was looking at this, I just thought of mixing it with my Too Faced Love Light Highlight in the shade Blinded by the Light. So we're gonna try that right now. And my Morphe M501 brush, I'm gonna dip a little bit into the Too Faced and then into the Jouer one. I don't even have a mirror. Yes, hunty. Oh yes. Highly recommend that combo. If you don't have the Too Faced one, the Jouer one is beautiful on its own. So don't think you need to go out and buy the Too Faced one to get this look, because trust me, this on its own is beautiful. I literally now have like 3 total highlights on my face right now. But pretty much I like this. Let's go eyeshadow. I picked up the Huda Beauty New Nude eyeshadow palette. I know this is like super expensive. It's probably the most expensive palette that I own, but like this is just a beautiful palette. I'm obsessed with this palette. So much so that I have literally not put it down since I purchased it. And I haven't loved a palette this much since I got the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. And that's been a while since I got that palette. It reminds me, I need to dig back into that palette. Brows. I actually got both the Brow Boss products from ColourPop, the Brow Boss gel, the clear one. Just looks like this. It's a good brow gel. And then the Brow Boss pencil. And I got mine in the shade light brown. It's like my natural day brow. It's not this dark. I did not use it today, but it is a good brow pencil. This is the JCat Beauty All About That Base Nude Eye Primer. Nude Shadow Primer. And this might replace me using concealer as primer because it pretty much gives the exact same effect. Plus this is a drugstore price. How much makeup I have right here, it's insane. Mascara, I got the Ulta Beauty Ultimate Lashes Multitasking Mascara. Has like an hourglass wand, just not as prominent as like the L'Oreal Lash Paradise or Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, but it is a good mascara. I really like Ulta mascaras. They're $10, but I really like them. Last but not least is lips. A lip liner. I picked up the Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in the shade Dusty Rose. That is right here. This comes off a little more pink on my lips personally. It's a really pretty lip liner. On lipsticks, I actually redeemed my Sephora points and I got this NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment in the shade American Woman, and I think I was actually looking at this on Ulta the other day. It's a super liquidy formula. And the last two products are just the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paints. I got two shades, both pretty much colors that I wear on a daily basis. I alternate between these two colors. First one that I got is the shade Uncensored, just your classic red. And these Stunna lip paints last forever. I was very impressed when I was testing these out. They're stunning. That red. Yes, freebie. And then the last one is in the shade Uncuffed. They're pretty much the exact same color and lip colors, if that makes any sense. And I wear it the most out of any of the lip colors that I actually purchased. That is my entire beauty haul. May have spent a lot of money, but we got some good sales. Anyways, if you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel or give it a thumbs up or both. If you guys have any video requests, you can leave them in the comments down below or at me on my social media, which is all under SassieBeauty, YT, same as spelled here, both Twitter and Instagram. Check out my beauty brand's Instagram account, SassieBeauty, along as go shop SassieBeauty on Etsy. I'll have the links down below. And other than that, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. If you guys made it this long into the video, comment an emoji. Either the upside down smiling or a pink heart. That'd be great.